Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and creating space. Lay a rag to catch screws and wedge the door open. Once ready, remove visible screws on the handle rows and interior trim. Why? Because hidden screws will be revealed and keep parts from sliding off. Pull the handle straight out while supporting the latch assembly. If you feel resistance, there's usually a retaining clip or set screw. Locate and loosen it. Then slide the spindle free, so the whole old mechanism comes away cleanly. With the old mechanism out, compare the new latch to the Mortise. Match thickness and orientation so the bolt retracts and extends smoothly. Insert the latch into the door edge and fasten the faceplate lightly so you can still adjust alignment. Feed the spindle through from one side and position both exterior and interior assemblies, then tighten mounting screws a little at a time so the handles remain square. Make sure the latch moves freely when you operate the handle. Then secure screws fully. Finish by aligning both handles and seating trim plates. Tighten set screws and cross bolts evenly so the handle doesn't tilt. Once installed, operate the handle, deadbolt, and key 5 to 10 times to bed parts in and reveal any binding. If the door sticks or the key won't turn, loosen screws slightly, recenter the latch, and adjust or shim the strike plate to match bolt travel. If problems persist, check spindle orientation, and that screws aren't over-torqued, which can deform components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.